Hi, friends. It is so nice to see you here. Wow, words really are everywhere. I love to collect them so I can connect to them. I wonder what today's special word is. Let's see. A, G, R, I, C, U, L, T, U, R, E. Do you know what that spells? Agriculture. Let's say it together. Agriculture. 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 Wow. When I say the word agriculture, my body feels so many different feelings. I'm sure yours does too. I wonder why we feel those feelings. Let's head to the Wordshop and connect to agriculture. Hi, Elyse.
Hey, OOPA. I hear that today's word is agriculture.
It is. Wow. Words spread fast. What does the word agriculture make you think about?
This soil.
Soil? Why?
Because agriculture is about growing food, and it all starts with soil. Farmers like me use soil to grow fruits, vegetables, and grains to feed people and animals. That's what agriculture is all about, helping to feed the world.
Wow. So how do you use soil to grow food?
Well, OOPA, soil covers most of the surface of our planet, and it's made up of so many things. There are minerals like clay and sand, and things that you can see like dead leaves and plant roots, tiny rocks and stones, and air and water, and oh look, even living things like this worm. Together, they all keep soil very healthy.
There are so many different materials in soil.
Exactly, and all of the materials mixed together help me grow yummy things to eat. Would you like to touch the soil yourself, OOPA?
Yes. Oh, it feels light, fluffy. I love it. So, how do you use this soil to grow food?
Let me show you. Do you see these tiny seeds?
Yes.
These are tomato seeds, and these little seeds can grow into a big tomato plant, just like this one.
Whoa, but where are the tomatoes?
That's a great question, OOPA. Do you see this tiny flower? This is the beginning of a tomato, and soon this plant will be covered in tomatoes.
So how did that tiny seed turn into such a big plant?
It all starts with our nice, healthy soil. Do you want to plant a few seeds with me, OOPA?
I'd love to.
Okay, here you go. Here's some soil for you.
Thank you.
First, we want to make a hole just underneath the surface of the soil. Not too deep, just like that. And now, we can place our seeds in the hole. And then you want to cover your seeds lightly with some soil. And next you'll want to water your seeds. So you want to cover the surface of your soil lightly instead of just in one spot.
How's that?
That's great. And you want to water your plant every day.
So is that what keeps the plant healthy and strong?
Exactly. And last, but most importantly, you want to find a nice sunny spot for your plant to grow. It can be outside in the spring or summer, or it can even be inside on a windowsill. And after a few months, you'll get delicious tomatoes, just like these.
Wow, those are beautiful. So is that what agriculture is about, growing plants?
Yes, OOPA, farmers grow plants Scientists study soil to make sure it's healthy, and engineers build tools like tractors. So many people, and even animals, are a part of agriculture.
I love to eat food, so I guess I'm a part of agriculture too.
Definitely, OOPA. And it all starts with soil.
Thanks, Elyse. Okay, friends, now that we understand the word agriculture in our minds, it's time to get up and connect the word agriculture to our bodies. Let's go to the movement room. Are you ready?
I am.
Come on, let's go. Okay, Elyse, you're gonna stand over here, and I'm gonna stand over here. That's it. Now bring your arms out to the side, circle them around. Make sure you have enough room. Now bring your arms down. Let's take a long breath. Inhale and exhale. I'm gonna say the word agriculture. Repeat it after me. Agriculture.
Agriculture.
That's it. Let's pretend to be a farmer. Let's start marching into the field. We're trying to find a nice spot to plant our tomato seeds. Oh, I think we found a spot. Let's stop. Let's get our shovel. Let's dig into the soil. 3 scoops. Yes, 1 more. Okay, let's do the other side. Now dig. Wow, so many cool things in the soil. 1 more. Okay, I actually want to touch the soil now. Put your hands in. Ooh, I see some rocks. Oh, I see a little worm. Feels so nice. Okay, let's stand up. Let's pretend to be a tomato seed. Let's put our feet together. Get small, like a little tomato seed, as small as you can. On the count of 3, we're gonna jump into the hole. 1, 2, 3, jump into the hole. That's it. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, jump into the hole. Ooh, all right, we're in the hole now. Now let's put soil on top of us. Okay, let's bury ourselves in all the way around us. Get nice and cozy. Okay, hold here. Now we're just waiting. When's the water gonna come? When's the sun gonna come? I think I hear it. Pitter patter. Water's coming. I'm starting to grow. We're starting to grow. The sun's coming up. Oh, our branches are out. Make your fingertips into flowers. That's the first sign of a tomato. Okay, now make your hands into balls. They're ripe, juicy tomatoes. We're a full tomato plant. Okay, bring your arms down. Now let's pretend to be a farmer again. Let's march into the field. Let's see what's going on with our tomato plants. Oh, there's so many tomatoes. Let's grab our bucket and let's start to pick these nice, juicy tomatoes. There's so many different sizes. Oh, they look so nice. Okay, other side. Oh, I see one sneaking down by there. Oh, 1 more. Okay, wow, this basket is heavy. All right, let's take it back to the house. We're gonna make something yummy. Okay, we're inside our house. Put the basket down. What should we make, Elyse?
How about some yummy tomato soup?
That's a great idea. Okay, let's take a tomato and let's slice it. Get little slices, that's it. Let's take another tomato. Let's slice it. Oh, this tomato soup's gonna be yummy. Let's put the tomatoes into the pot. Let's put some salt. Let's put some pepper. Okay, now let's stir it around. Ooh, nice, juicy soup here. Okay, let's stir with the other hand. It smells really good.
I think it's ready.
I think so too. Okay, we're done. I can't believe we got tomato soup and it all started from one little seed, soil, and water. Thanks for being a farmer, Elyse, and giving us such delicious food.
And thank you for eating our food.
It's time to go to the big fireplace. Come on, let's go. Hi, Miss J.
Hi, OOPA. Hello, Elyse. Please have a seat. What word are you learning about today?
Agriculture.
I have a book about agriculture right here. Would you like me to share it with you?
Yes.
It's called Before We Eat, From Farm to Table by Pat Brisson, illustrated by Mary Azarian. As we sit around this table, let's give thanks as we are able to all the folks we'll never meet who helped provide this food we eat. They plowed the ground and planted seeds, tended fields, removed the weeds. They picked the food at harvest time, working in the heat and grime. They grazed the cattle, fed the sows, gathered eggs, and milked the cows. They fished from boats out on the seas, raised wheat and nuts and honeybees. Thank the ones who packed the crates, sorted boxes, checked the weights. Thank the drivers on the roads, in their trucks with heavy loads. And all the clerks at all the stores who did the grocery selling chores. Thank the ones who bought this food, the ones who teach me gratitude. Sitting at this meal we share, we are grateful and aware, sending thanks upon the air to those workers everywhere.
Wow, I really enjoyed that, Miss J. The next time I sit down to eat food, I'm gonna think about all the people who helped put the food on my table.
Me too. And as a farmer, that story made me feel really appreciated.
You are appreciated, Elyse.
Thanks, Miss J.
Thanks for connecting with me today.
You're welcome.
It was a pleasure, OOPA.
It's time for me to head out. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Hey, Louis.
Hey, OOPA.
AGRICULTURE. Agriculture. I learned so much today from Miss J and Elyse about agriculture. Come to think of it, soil is kind of like words. You need soil to grow plants and build a healthy body. You need words to grow thoughts to build a healthy mind. Soil grows food and words grow friendships. Isn't that amazing? I wonder what the word agriculture makes you think about. Thanks for connecting with me today. Bye.
Lives in the world of words. Lives in the world of words. Words wake her up, live in her head, move around till she goes to bed. Lives in the world of words. Lives in the world of words. Lives in the world of words. Like the wind in the sky, words flutter by. They can be beautiful like butterflies. We live in the world